green room this particular night getting makeup. Tom Brady's pops. Now, so this is a couple of years before I had kids. I don't know that I would quite ask it this way now, but I'm like, God, what's it like sitting next to Giselle? Like a complete idiot. I mean, why would I even ask that? But I did. I know. And I asked him, and he engaged. What a nice guy, Tom Brady's pops. And we were talking about that. He said how great of a mother she is, and he quickly deflected it and slowly deflected. And we were talking about Tom and just how unlikely this path was, because he was already, maybe he wasn't number one, but he was still behind Montana at that point. But damn, he was in front of everybody else. Right. I mean, he was certainly cracking the top three, and most of his career was already made. And he said, listen, the day that he got drafted, our hope as a family. I don't think I may have said this once on the air. Yeah. I've heard nobody else ever say this, so this is interesting. Our hope as a family, and really from Tom, was when he got drafted in round 6, hang around for camp, okay? Maybe hold a clipboard for a year or two, make a couple $100,000, and then go and make money on Wall Street. Like, that's what they thought their son was going to be. And that's what Tom pretty much aspired to do. Yeah. And to see what's happened since is amazing. But the party's over. The party's over. And the party's over for this regard. All right? Not that I'm not going to watch him if he's a Raider, if he's a Titan, if he's a Panther. I'm going to watch him because you have to, because it's a story. But first of all, the schemes, how they pass protect him, all right? We can talk about those little short, shallow crossing routes, not throwing it down, because that's all you can replicate that somewhere else. Yeah. But if you don't have the offensive line to protect him, he is dead, because he is nailed to the ground. He's nailed to the ground, and they poured concrete over the nails. He cannot move. So this thought that he's going to elevate not a moribund offense, but a good offense to elite level, to me, it's a pipe dream. Yeah. I don't see it. Yeah. I don't think he's going to play particularly well unless he stays with the Pats.
And that's exactly why we both agree that he needs to stay with the New England Patriots, because at least they know that. At least they understand